December the 20th, 2021. Guys, a very quick update. I've got a part 2 of this, but I want this to go up. Our internet's running very slow. It has been since a bunch of hacks about a week ago, really, that were worldwide. But our solar wind speed now is up over 600 kilometers per second. Guys, you're dealing with 1,000,000 miles fluctuating, or 1,000,000 miles per hour fluctuating back and forth. Puts a tremendous amount of pressure on our Earth's shields and our magnetic plates. 30 minutes ago or so, there was a 6.2 quake at the bottom of the Cascadia fault zone right here. That's why I'm keeping this short, because now the aftershocks are moving inland. I want to get it out. I don't know how long it's going to take. But I've got solar information that's going to be in part 2 of this. It's going to be about 6 or 7 minutes. It's going to take some time to upload. But right now, look at this as the map populates here. Offshore was the large quake, 6.2. Now, there's no tsunami warnings. The largest one was here in the blue. The newest ones are in the red, and you can see they have moved inland, and we're dealing with one of the most dangerous fault zones on the planet. Unlike the hype that was put in about the Canary Islands on La Palma there, and I said from the beginning, there was no way there was going to be a tsunami that would reach the U.S. Many people were upset about that. Guys, this area here, if you want to see something dangerous to the U.S. as we look around at some fives across the planet, that is what's dangerous to the U.S. right there. It's the most dangerous area, that and the San Andreas Fault, because they're more active than the most dangerous spot in the U.S., which is the New Madrid Fault Zone in Missouri, Tennessee. Actually, it's the kind of heart of northern Mississippi, Alabama, all of that area, it will be affected by that. But this area is important. They're saying a 6.2 quake struck off the coast of Eureka in Humboldt County Monday, according to the USGS. The quake hit around 12:10 p.m., 23 miles west of the town of Petrolia. It says the quake was off Cape Mendocino, 45 miles southwest of Eureka. No tsunami threat, guys. And I did check the National Buoy Data Center, and none of the buoys are showing any major movement at all. Moderate to strong shaking in parts of our area, especially Eureka, south to Petrolia. Some minor damages are reported due to fallen household objects. And there's a link there, and they're asking you, did you feel it? It says there are reports from all over the region of moderate to strong shaking. Guys, that's a 6.2. And usually that's about where we start reporting on them, at about a 6 point. But if it's in the area that it's at now, anything over 4.4, 4.5 needs to be paid attention to. So this one definitely does. It said the National Weather Service in the Bay Area tweeted that the tsunami was not expected as a result of the quake. And this time, there were no reports of injuries or damages other than the shaking of objects on the wall. But as I was doing the video, it had only been 32 minutes. So we'll just have to wait and see. I want this one to go up, then I'm going to show you the solar problems that we're going into, guys. The sun is waking up very quickly, and very intensely. One of the quickest and most, it's the most sunspots I've ever seen active on the surface of the sun on the Earth-facing side, and it's over a dozen now. 3 are major, and they're lined up like one of the old warships when they turn broadside with all their cannons. That's what it looks like right now, but that's coming up soon, guys. If you know folks in that area, again, look through this, especially Eureka south to Petrolia. Just check on them, make sure everything's okay. You could possibly have some small landslides, things like that we don't know about yet. It's a heads up. Be safe.